Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public bathroom. First, when you need to find a public restroom, look for clear signage or use a reliable mobile app to locate one nearby. Before entering, take a moment to assess the cleanliness and accessibility of the facility. Remember, public restrooms come in various forms, including gender-specific and all-gender options, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once inside, proper hygiene is key. Always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, ensuring you scrub all surfaces. After using the toilet, remember to flush completely to maintain cleanliness for the next person. Finally, please dispose of any waste, such as paper towels or personal items, in the designated trash bins, not on the floor. Maintaining a clean environment benefits everyone. Strive to leave the area as clean or even cleaner than you found it. If you notice any maintenance issues, like a broken faucet or a lack of supplies, please report them to staff if possible. For an extra measure of hygiene, consider using a paper towel to open the door when exiting, especially if it's a high-traffic area. As you prepare to leave, always double-check that you have collected all your personal belongings. A quick glance around the stall or sink area can prevent you from forgetting something important. Once you've exited, continue to practice good hygiene, especially before eating or touching your face. Thank you for being considerate and helping keep public spaces pleasant for all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.